Hey Jeep fam, have you ever wanted to turn your Wrangler into a breezy, wind in your hair adventure mobile, but felt too intimidated by the hardtop? Well, stick with me, because today I'm going to show you how to take it off together. Before we begin, I want to make sure that everybody has watched part 1 of how to remove the top of your Jeep, or that you know how to take off your freedom panels. We will need those off first before we begin. Freedom panels are off. I always keep this in my glove compartment. You never know when you're gonna wanna take your top off. Before we get to the hard stuff, I like to make sure that all of the seats are pushed down in the back. This gives us extra room to work with. Make sure to disconnect these. We're going to take this out, our favorite tool, thank Jeep. And we're going to use this attachment head, this side. It's the Torque XT40. I'm gonna put that in here. And we are going to use this on all of those screws. Grab some friends for this next part.